Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. This is an Infranor rack mount servo motor control sent in to us by a machine shop in South Africa. These controllers are built for custom machines and are found, mostly, in large machine centers all around Europe. When this unit arrived, its capacitors had completely blown, and it was unable to power on. We fully rebuilt the unit and replaced all of the damaged parts inside, and our video shows us testing the unit on an improvised system we put together since we didn't have its custom motor. ERD has worked on machine shop servo drives for decades, and has the technical experience and know-how to test units even without their custom motors on hand. So, if your servo drives have blown, call us today for your quote.